Hey, what's up?
Good man. Listen, just around the corner and I was thinking about upgrading to something sporty, yet a economical ride.
May I recommend the Yamaha R15 V3? Let's jump back into history. It was introduced by Yamaha Motors in 2008, which set a benchmark in the market as it was one of the fastest bike in its segment to have twin headlamps and sporty design inspired from its elder siblings. Similarly, in 2011 it came out as V2 with some more sporty touches. And now it's the V3, which looks and feels premium and finest of them all. Well, in the spec sheet, it's written that it is a 155cc motorbike which generates 19.3 PS of power at 10,000 rpm and 14.7 Nm of torque at 8500 rpm. But describing a bike merely based on its spec sheet is enough but not enough. It's like watching a movie trailer and hoping to get entertained, as it isn't just famous for its specs, but this. The low set clip-ons, the rear set foot peg gives you an aggressive riding position which will keep you engaged on the roads with thrill. It's too appealing and probably a head turner which gets you all the attention you need on the road.
Wow!
Although it's a sports bike, it's nimble, relaxed and easily flickable in the tight traffics of our city. It's of slipper clutch, which gives you clean and super slick gear shifts in its 6-speed gearbox. To forget the variable valve actuation, which basically means you'll get the efficiency below 7000 rpm along with the high-end performance as the cam profile changes. The newest model consists of a dual-channel ABS and gives you that bite when you are braking hard. The stock tires are MRF Zapper, which are well to do for grips but give you a lot of kilometers to put on.
Hey, mileage चाहिँ कति दिन्छ?
It can give you anywhere from around 35 to 40 km per liter, and with a 11-liter tank, it can basically take you around 400 km more or less. Hold on, although the bike may be able to go the distance, but can you? Getting used to its commuted riding position is a fair challenge, and in the beginning days, wrist pain and back pain might just hit you every day you get off the saddle. And while you're hitting the corners, you might just notice that the rear suspension are a bit squishy. And even though the lights are LED headlamps, they fail to light up the road ahead of you. Well, if you want to take a pillion, it might just be a little troublesome due to its hard and high pillion seat and the lack of grab rails. The pillion might just need to hold on to you instead, and it's better if you keep your pillion rides short and sweet. At a starting price of $431,900 and $459,900 for ABS variant, its average servicing costs anywhere around $1,500 to $2,000, which I think is much economical than other brands. Furthermore, to put it more into conclusion, the refinement of the engine is something you can never get bored of, and which can easily compete with some of the 200s we see in the market.
In a track? I guess it is.